Hi, I'm Chris from Terra Oracle AI. In this video, I will show you how to connect the Terra Oracle AI platform to CNH FieldOps. This integration creates a seamless connection between your field data, machine operations, agronomic intelligence, and variable rate applications. Once connected, you can automatically import fields from CNH FieldOps, share machine and field operation data with the Terra Oracle AI Agronomic Advisor, and export variable rate application prescription files directly back to your CNH environment. Let's get started. To connect Terra Oracle AI with CNH FieldOps, navigate to the Connected Platforms tab in the Settings page. Select CNH FieldOps and click Connect. You will be redirected to the CNH authorization page where you can securely sign in using your CNH credentials. Terra Oracle AI uses these permissions to synchronize fields, access operational data, and exchange agronomic information with your CNH environment. And that's it, your account is now connected. Your CNH integration is now fully configured and ready to synchronize data with Terra Oracle AI. To import fields from CNH FieldOps, navigate to the Fields page. From the Add Field drop-down menu in the top right corner, select Import from CNH. A list of available fields from your CNH FieldOps account will appear. Terra Oracle AI will automatically identify fields that overlap with existing fields in your account and will suggest whether they should be connected to an existing field or imported as a new field. Select the fields you would like to import by checking the corresponding boxes. You can import individual fields, entire farms, specific clients, or all available fields using batch selection options. As you make your selection, Terra Oracle AI will automatically calculate and display the total hectare usage associated with the imported fields. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click Import Selected Fields. Your imported fields will become available immediately in the Fields page. Please note that satellite imagery and NDVI data may require up to 10 minutes to be downloaded and processed before becoming available in the Field Intelligence section. Fields synchronized with CNH FieldOps will be identified by the CNH icon displayed in the platform column, making it easy to track connected fields throughout the system. Creating and exporting variable rate application prescriptions is simple with Terra Oracle AI. To begin, select the source data you would like to use for your prescription. This can be a soil analysis layer or an NDVI layer derived from satellite imagery, which is available free of charge within the platform. In this example, we will use NDVI from the 21st of June 2026 and click Create VRA. The Create VRA workspace will open, where you can configure the prescription according to your agronomic requirements. Here you can adjust the number of management zones, modify breakpoints, select different zoning algorithms, and customize the prescription strategy. Let's select 3 zones for this example with equal area algorithm. For each zone, we can assign the needed application rate. The total material quantity required for the prescription is displayed in the lower right corner of the table, allowing you to quickly estimate product requirements. Once you are satisfied with the prescription, click Export and select Export to CNH FieldOps. Next, select the season, activity type, product, rate unit, and area. In case your material or product is missing, add them in the CNH FieldOps platform and then click Refresh from CNH in the top right. Once you are ready, click Export. Within a few minutes, your VRA prescription file will be available within the CNH FieldOps platform. After the export is complete, the prescription file will automatically become available within your CNH FieldOps account. You can find the prescription in the Setup tab, Fields, under the Prescriptions section. From here, you can edit it and send it to the machines within the CNH ecosystem. Congratulations! Your Terra Oracle AI platform is now fully connected to CNH FieldOps. You can now seamlessly synchronize fields, leverage machine operation data, and create variable rate application prescriptions that flow directly into your CNH ecosystem. This integrated workflow reduces manual data handling, improves operational efficiency, and enables more precise application of inputs across every field. In our next training videos, we will explore John Deere connectivity and data integration, AI-powered agronomic recommendations, and advanced precision agriculture workflows. Thank you for choosing Terra Oracle AI.